Hi guys! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna share to you a cookie recipe inspired by the viral Dubai chocolate, the Chocolate Pistachio Kunafa Cookies. But before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button. These cookies combine the richness of chocolate, the nutty flavor of pistachios, and the crunchy goodness of Kunafa pastry. Are you ready? Let's get baking! The ingredients that we will need are 1 cup cake flour, 1 and 1/2 cup plain flour, 1 cup cold unsalted butter, 200 grams dark chocolate chips, half cup cocoa powder, 1 cup light brown sugar, half cup white sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 2 large eggs. For the filling, we will need Kunafa pastry. I'm using a homemade one, but you can also check out Asian shops or Turkish shops for this one. Then we will need 1/4 cup of pistachio spread, 1/8 cup of unsalted butter. For the topping and decorations, we will need 1/4 cup of chopped pistachio nuts and 1/4 cup of pistachio spread plus more if needed. To start, add in the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cocoa powder. Give it a mix and set this aside. Next, in a stand mixer, cream the cold butter for a few minutes. Then, scrape the side of the bowl and add the sugars and cream them together. Don't forget to scrape the bowl. Then, add in the eggs and continue beating. Now, add in the dry mixture or the dry ingredients and mix them together until well combined. Then, add in the dark chocolate chips. If your mixture is not that dark and you want it a bit darker, just add a tablespoon of cocoa powder at a time until you achieve the color that you like. Once the mixture are well combined, set it aside to chill in the fridge. Now, add the Kunafa pastry in a bowl and then add the butter. I melted this butter in the microwave. Mix it in with the Kunafa pastry. Then transfer it into a pan lined with baking paper and spread it evenly. Then bake this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's toasted and golden brown. While waiting for the Kunafa pastry to be toasted, let's prepare our cookie dough. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop the dough and transfer it onto a baking pan lined with parchment paper or baking paper. You can also weigh the dough using a weighing scale so that they are similar in sizes. Give them a bit of roll, and once done, chill this in the fridge for a few minutes. Once the kunafa pastry is toasted or golden brown, let it completely cool. Once it's cooled, transfer it in a bowl and mix it together with the pistachio spread. Then, using a small ice cream scoop, scoop the mixture and transfer it onto a plate. Then, pop this in the freezer to chill for a few minutes. After a few minutes, put out the cookie dough, flatten it, and fill it in with the frozen kunafa pistachio filling, just like this. Continue with the remaining cookie dough. Once done, pop this in the fridge again for about 15 to 20 minutes to chill before baking. After 15 to 20 minutes, arrange the cookie dough in another pan. Make sure you have enough space between each of them, just like this. Then bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 15 minutes. After baking, give the cookie a top, just like this. While the cookie is still warm, use a circular cutter and do this with your cookie if you want your cookie to be proper circle. You can skip this step, this is optional. And after this, let it completely cool down before decorating. Now, top the cookie with the pistachio spread. Just pop the pistachio spread in the microwave for a few seconds to make the texture a little bit runny, so it's easier to pipe on top of the cookies. Then, top it with the chopped pistachio nuts. Repeat the procedure with the remaining cookies. And here's our finished product! Chocolate Pistachio Kunafa Cookies are so good! It's definitely a must try. And this is what it looks like inside. Look at that! Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. See you next time. Bye!